Welcome back everybody to a brand new video. Today, Blueberry and I will be going to the offices and we will be duping once again. So, yeah. So, yeah, let's go. Also, Blueberry, I have something to say to you.
What?
I'm very sorry for pulling that prank on you with RPG ammo.
Yeah.
Are you gonna get me back? I'll take that as a yes. Oh no, might be screwed, chat.
Well, you better be taking it as a yes.
Is that so? You're gonna get revenge on me?
Yes. And it's gonna be bigger and better and boom.
You sure it will be boom? You just gonna copy me? I think you should pick like something else to do.
Oh, that's fine. I will.
And you're just copying me, and then no one's gonna like the video.
Fine then, I won't copy you.
All right, let's go. You get the key card. I'll wait for you at the elevator.
Hey.
Or I could come with you. Where's Honey Buns? Hey, Honey.
Where do I go?
Where are you? Oh.
Right here. Where do I go?
We need to find a key card, bruh. We don't have one.
Well, the key card would be back there, wouldn't it be?
Exactly. That's why I was waiting for you to be in there.
Then let's go.
Literally told you to stay in there and get the key card. You can do it, Blueberry. You've been playing this game longer than I
You go
have.
get it, because she's looking at me. She's looking at me funny.
You almost shot me. What you got? Ooh. Spare change.
Spare change. Spare change, anybody? Spare change. I found it.
You dead? Alright, let's go.
Okay, I gotta put it in my bag.
But yeah, we're really heavy, but today, I don't think I told them what we're duping. So what I just really wanted to do in this video is talk about why I haven't been posting, rapidly posting content. And, yeah, and it's mostly because of me and Blueberry have been busy with
A lot.
school.
In school, and like, I do a
other
lot of stuff.
Yeah, you do a lot of stuff. I'm busy with school. Didn't we just go down?
What?
The heck? I don't think we're supposed to be here, bruh.
Money! Money! Here comes money!
But yeah, this is where I decided to make this video, just to like talk about what, why we haven't been posting much. And I have like a little bit of a little bit of a talk, you know? A little talk. We're in the lava area, bruh. Where the heck are we?
Let's go back this way.
I found a disc! Ah! I found a disc. See?
Duh.
I don't think, bro.
Obama had
I don't think I've ever actually seen this. I'm just gonna check it in there.
No.
Imagine that being rare and it sells for like trillions. And we just chucked it in lava. Alright, let's go. We gotta go to... Nah!
No, stay away from me.
Look,
I have one bullet. What the
let's just do this video, alright, Blueberry? Calm down, bruh. I'm just gonna head this way instead.
Woo!
But yeah, that's what we're really just, that's like the main thing of this video. But I think he left without me again. No, he didn't. Making sure you don't leave me again. But yeah. So Blueberry's been busy in school, same with me. He does a lot of stuff.
Watch out, because he's coming.
But yeah. So I was thinking, Blueberry, I think we should low-key have like a, what do you call it? Like a little bit, no, a meeting.
Oh.
Okay, we should do a smash or pass video. $1 billion idea. So what I was thinking is maybe we could talk about some. You gotta get the ducks, bro. I was thinking maybe we should talk about some stuff. Like, you know how we had like a interview one time, or like a podcast video.
Didn't post it.
I didn't post it because it wouldn't let me post it. But yeah, I was thinking maybe we could do that in this. Oh no!
Yeah, take that, Fred. Whatever your name is.
His name is Gary. Well, I mean, yeah, a lot of people call him the Freak, and some other people just call him like Bob and stuff. But I call him Gary because Steak gave him the name Gary, and Steak's just like him, so.
Steak is a VR.
Yeah. Well, no, his brother has one.
Oh.
He played with that one guy, J-Man Curly. He played with that guy, J-Man Curly. Nah. Hey, Gary, love J-Man Curly.
But yeah, I was thinking maybe we should like do like a little bit of a whatever you podcast, you know. So I'd like you to answer the first question while you're mining these ducks.
Okay.
Go ahead, ask it, boy. Ask a random question, you'll get the right answer. You can even ask the fans if you want, and then they can put like a little timestamp of when you said it, and then tell them like what it is, or what about them, or I don't know, something.
Okay, boys. Do you think this?
What?
Do you not see it?
Oh my God!
I got you. Don't worry. You freaking freak.
Kill him! Oh my God! If you watch this video, you'll see that he wasn't there for me. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. Oh my God!
But do you think this man right here?
Which man?
Gets girls.
Oh, you?
You.
Me?
Not you.
Me?
Because I do.
Blueberry. Alright, bro.
Okay, let's go. Because I'm not trying to stay here. We'll talk about it on the way.
Yeah, we'll talk about it on the way. I have a question for you though, and not the viewers, but you, Blueberry.
Okay.
Do you really smell like fish? Cause like that's what I've been putting in my comments, and it's been saying Blueberry smells like fish the entire time. Be honest, Blueberry.
I smelled myself for too long. I don't know what I smell like. But no.
Wait. You just said I don't know what I smell like, and then you said but.
Nah.
You smell like butt?
Nah.
Whoa. Why are they floating?
Wait, there are notes. There's a note.
There is?
Wait, come here. Wait, it's a promo code. It says LAM.
That's not a promo. That's not a promo code.
It could be, because I've seen other notes like this and it was a promo code.
Watch it be like giving you like $1 million.
Kill him.
There he is. I got this. I get the. Crap! Missed. I'm all out.
I'm out.
I'm out.
Come here, you freaking fat freak.
There he is.
Yeah.
Please, ammo. Aw.
Now you're alive.
Should I just leave him?
Die!
I'm just gonna hide.
Where'd you go? Voodoo?
Yeah, that's going in the video. And I saw you. I was watching you the entire time, bro. You look so goofy. Trying to find me.
I was checking my map. What's in here?
I thought you said you found it. Get up! Crap! He's twirling on me! He's literally pushing me! Please go away, sir. No! How did he kill me? I hate this game.
We'll come back and we'll grab our bags and then we will get our bag.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going down.
Let's go, my kitty gang.
Yeah, let's go.
Yay! We made it. Yeah.
Alrighty, who goes first, you or me?
Wait, is it duck first or no? No, duck is not first, so you have to go first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
We can. You have the sticks. I have the duck. You have to go first. Go. Okay. Go first. I missed. I'm falling. Or why are you lagging so bad?
Me? I think it's just you, bruh.
Okay, go.
Because you're not lagging for me, so I think it might be just you. Alrighty. Let's do this.
Yay! Yeah.
Oh, hold on. I want to dump it out for a little. I don't think I have anything else in here, do I? Maybe we should dump out the duping item first.
Why?
Well, because just in case, like, because you have ducks, what if we accidentally shred it in there?
Why is everything metal?
I know, I hate it. Okay, go back over there.
Okay.
Should I go?
Why is it not filling up?
It was, but then it stopped. You have to do it like slow. Like
Oh.
one at a time.
Like one or two? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you done?
Oh,
You don't
damn.
need to check it. I'll check it for you.
I want to keep looking, though.
You done? I'm looking.
Okay, fine.
Alrighty.
Hold on, dump out the item first. Dump it out.
Ready out, evil bro.
Just dump them out like right here on the, yeah.
Okay, I'll do like one at a time though.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you gotta chuck them in. Don't like dump the bag. Keep going, boy.
Keep that baby racking up.
Does it have to get to the end? I honestly keep forgetting.
Yeah, at the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit down on the rail. Like, just keep it going, boy. There's something more. Alright, yeah, keep going. Keep it going. Again. 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 Come check it.
I think we can fit one more.
Alright, but perfect.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay,
can
now
I?
I'm gonna jump up.
No, I wanna do the item though, cause you got to do the item last time. So here
We go, baby.
All right. Say goodbye to this beloved rocket, and let's hope.
Goodbye.
Kiss him goodbye. Let's hope that
Did I
he.
throw my bag? Wait,
Dupes
I
and-
need my bag. Wait, what? I need my bag.
Yeah, you're gonna need it. Get down there. All right.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye, my love. Goodbye.
All right.
Okay.
Can I do the key card as well? Cause you did the key card and item last time.
No, I didn't.
Oh my god! I'm taking it. I need a. Did you for real just hog them up? I need one big
I only
one.
took like 2.
None. This last one. What should we do with this last one?
You like a lollipop. Okay.
Let's go home.
All right. Let's get out of here. All right. Yeah, I have a question for you. Wait, no, it's. No, please, Mr. Guy.
Why did you bring like a pickaxe?
I hate this guy. He's so annoying. Go away, man. That's not my fault, bro. He literally like camps you. It's so annoying. He needs to be, bro. He needs to get. I hate that monster. I used to love him. He used to be cool, but now he's just annoying. No one cares for him. No one likes him. He shouldn't even be the worker of the month, bro. CEO of the month, horrible idea. CEO of everything, horrible idea. He sucks.
I'm coming back.
Yeah, but look who's dead.
I'm coming. I'm going back for the
I
backpack.
don't want to go back in there.
I'll go. Remember me.
All right, see ya.
I'll talk to her in call.
Bye. Alright, well, looks like I'm gonna eat a couple of snackies and Wait for him to get home.
Maybe watch some iPad.
I got addicted to iPad now.
Going back for the loot. Oh my freaking gosh, I hate this guy. He's pushing me. Here, come back here, you little wimp. Now grab my loot. Leave. Oh my god, that's closing behind me. Let's go. We're gonna make it. Yeah! I'm getting out of here. Okay. I'm gonna make it. Come on. I'm back. Yeah!
Yay!
I'm back. Yeah.
I did a lot of fun stuff when while you were gone. Stuffies. You sure you didn't just put an empty bag? Let's see. Oh!
Yeah.
Did you take? Hold on. Dump out yours. I want to see how many you have. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4. Ah, should have taken the other one, but I used it.
Kaboom.